Hey, I have a very cool piece of technology to unbox today. Let's do it. What's up, it's Noise here, and today we are going to unbox a very anticipated drone in this year. No, not the previous year. It was released 6 months ago, but still this is a hot cake. So, what do I have? Today I have the Mavic 3 drone, which is a pro drone in the market right now, and we're going to unbox it. Let's start! Whoa, what a black beard. Oh my god, there she is. Look. Let's smell it first. Oh my god, it smells like fresh graphite. Oh. Let's see what else do we have. It comes with a regular controller, our same one, and joysticks are here. Also, 2 sets of extra propeller. Connectors, the controller, and the phone. At least 4 of them. Android and iPhone, I can see all of them. And then we have a USB to USB-C charging cable. The charger itself, I think this, how many watt it is? 60 watt charger. Okay, it'll work. What about the lens protector? Well, it feels hard, but I'm not sure how good it could be. But I think it'll work. This is the box. I would say it is very well packed. I don't think anything might be broken while shipping. Here we go. So how about the weight of this drone? I think it weighs 895 grams. Which is at least 300 or 400 grams more than my previous drone with battery. So about the kilo, I think it's much. It feels heavy and large in my hand, and I'm questioning now, is it gonna be a travel drone for myself? I don't know. This is large and heavy. If you want the best, then you have to suffer a little. But my previous drone, my Air 2S, that was 650 grams, and the DJI Mini 2 was 250 grams, so I was never struggling with the weight. But now this thing is making me little thoughtful. So it has the Hasselblad camera, which is a Swedish brand, I guess, and they claim they have best color science. I think they are, but it has two camera. One is the main camera or the Hasselblad camera, and the other one is the telephoto or zoom lens or zoom camera. So the thing is, both of them doesn't have the same aperture and same settings. So you have to be careful about the settings each time when you shoot. So the main camera, which is f2.8, and it is variable, so if you can change it to f2.8 to f11. So here comes the difference. And I think the telephoto zoom lens is 170mm or something. It zooms like a lot. I mean, you can't even imagine. But anyway, probably I'm not going to use the zoom feature that much because I never did. But I'm mostly gonna take the juice out of the main camera, which is f2.8 24mm equivalent, and this is a 4x3 CMOS sensor, which is full frame equivalent. So you can't even imagine how much ingredient it has inside. I mean, the sensor, it's gonna be the best one, at least for now. Yeah, I have nothing much to say about the sensor. I have no complaint. This is the best thing that any drone ever had, and I'm definitely gonna check out the 5.1K 50 FPS and 4K 120 and 60 FPS as well. And I'm gonna also upload a first flight impression video soon. Gimbal. So for stabilization, it has 3-axis gimbal, which is tilt, roll, and pan. And for tilt, you'll have minus 135 degree to 100 degree, and roll minus 45 degree to 45 degree, and for pan minus 27 to plus 27 degree. And this is pretty much it about the gimbal. It has omnidirectional sensor, meaning sensors in everywhere, in all the direction, left, right, up, down, front, and back. This is the thing that I like in it, which made it kinda the best one, or the best thing to buy. Yeah. About the sensor, I'm definitely gonna check how it works and how fast it is, because I was not satisfied with the sensors in my previous drone, which was Air 2S, and it was a huge reason I sold it, because I was never confident flying that drone. But I think this is gonna make me extra confident. Let's see what happens. For video transmission, it has the best signal mechanism. It uses this OcuSync 3.0 technology, which is like 15. DJI is claiming it'll work up to 15 kilometers or more than that, but I don't believe this. I would say it would work probably 6 or 8 kilometers with the Pro controller. The Pro controller is expensive and it costs around 1,000 euros, so I don't have it. But with the controller like this, I think I can fly it up to 5 kilometers or 8 kilometers. I don't know, but I'm gonna test those things as well. So you'll have videos about that. Yeah, but the other thing that I want to tell is that the signal transmission is so fluid, it is so good, and there's almost zero lag when you have a good signal strength. So I'll show you even more when I'm gonna fly. Yeah, this is pretty much it about the transmission. What about the battery? I think the battery life makes a huge difference and usable in this drone. DJI is claiming it has 46 minutes of flight time, but I don't think it's going to be 46 minutes because none of the previous drones were like this. They claim some minutes, but in real life it is not like that. But in ideal situation, like when the gust and wind speed is below normal, then probably it could be up to 40 minutes. But in real life situation, the weather is always changing, and especially here in Finland, the weather is always changing and you can never know. But I say it's gonna be, I assume, I don't know because I haven't tested, I say it's gonna be around 30 to 40 minutes. So let's see. I don't think this is overpriced. I don't even think this is less priced, but this is somewhere in between. But I think the price will be dropped. Right now it is 2,000 euro including tax and everything here in Finland, and I also bought another battery because one is not enough, which cost me 207 euro. So this is gonna cost you a lot if you want to buy it, and I'm not yet done with the ND filters. There's a lot of them right now. And what about my last thought about this drone? I would say 5.1K, 50 FPS in the sky with a full frame sensor. This is absolutely a beast. Right now it costs 2,000 euro, the non-fly mode combo version. The fly mode combo version is around 2,800 euro, and the Cine version is close to 5,000 euro. But the reason that I didn't go for Cine version is that the SSD is internal and built-in, and you can't take it out. So always you need to connect your USB to the computer, and it takes battery in that time from the drone. So you're definitely losing the lifetime of your battery if you're using in Cine version. But technically there's no difference. The sensors and everything is same like this, so there's no difference. But if you want like a huge production team and you need the best out of the best, then you should go for the Mavic with Cine. But I won't recommend you for the YouTubers or people who are like hobbyists and having fun with their drone. So let's have a summary about this video. So, are you really looking for buying this drone, or is it for you, or what kind of people will buy this? So basically, if you are a hobbyist and you want the best out of the best, and you have some short film going on or some movies going on, then this is your drone. Yes, this is absolutely a beast. It worth every money that you pay, and DJI has finally made a usable one. And why am I saying it was not usable before? Because there were so many firmware issues and active track and all those things. They were not working when it was released back in time, like 6 months ago. That's why I didn't buy it in that time. But now, after having 4 or 5 updates, this is the best drone that DJI have ever made. So you can go for it, I can say. Thank you for watching this video, and this is my first unboxing video. So if you like this video, hit the like button. If you dislike this video, hit the dislike button twice. And thank you for watching, and hopefully see you in the next video.